Alrighty, artists, so I am going to continue working throughout my design and talk about kind of the choices that I'm making as I go. So you'll see I added a globe and a mountain in here, and I just need to continue adding some pictures of things that I feel represent me. One of the things that I've always loved is travel. I love the mountains. I love camping. So one of the things I thought I could add in here is maybe a camper. I would say I really like the Volkswagen camper, so maybe I'll select one of these to add to my work. I also really like these little Volkswagen models. They're super cute. So just find one that I'd like to use. I'll use this top one here. Copy that image and click edit paste in my document. I need to click the move tool to make that smaller. That might work really well above the tacos right in this area. And I think because I'm going to try the lasso tool for this one. I think that's a really safe option because I have so much control over the tool. So I'll use my polygon tool and click around the camper. So I can get rid of the busy background here. Go all the way back to where I started. So now that's highlighted. So I'm going to click select invert selection and then delete that area. Click off of that to get rid of all the highlight marks. Click the move tool if I want to move that around. Make it smaller. Good. All right, what is next? I might add maybe some paint. Would be cool as an art teacher. I feel like that would be fun to add. So maybe I might click this image and try doing the palette, or even the colored pencils could be kind of fun. So I want the entire palette in there so it's not cut off. So I'll copy, edit, paste that into my image, make that smaller, put it right up here. And again, I think the lasso tool works best for this since there's so many different colors going on. The wand tool might not work as well for that. So click around this fun little artist palette here. And maybe I want to get the brush in there too. Select, invert selection, delete, click off the image, click the arrow button to move that around. That could work really well, actually. I like it right above the Volkswagen, so I think that's good here. I love coffee in the morning, so I'll try finding a coffee cup. This one's perfect. Now this one, I might be able to use the magic wand or the wand tool for because all the background is brown. My only worry is that it would pick up the browns of the background and the coffee, so I'll have to see how this goes. If I click my wand tool, let's see if it'll pick up just the background. Perfect. Worked out good. I might even keep the notebook in there. I kind of like that. All this junk I've got to get rid of down here. This might take a minute. Click around. It's looking pretty nice so far. like that. Click the arrow tool. And find a place that works really well for that. I might put that right in here and do one last image down here to create kind of the point of my letter M. I might need to try that again just to get rid of some of these other little areas. Actually, I might use my eraser, make sure I'm on my coffee layer, and just touch that up. That look nice. Good. Okay. Let's see here. One of the things I really enjoy too is beach volleyball, so I'm going to see if I can just find a volleyball image to use. This one should be good. Again, just, finding images. Ooh, and the background's already removed for us on this one, so that's kind of nice. I don't really need the basketball though, so we might have to make a change there. This could be the bottom of my letter M. And I want the volleyball to be behind my coffee, so I'm going to go over to my my volleyball layer and drag it below the coffee. And then I can use the eraser tool to get rid of the basketball quick. Good. It's looking nice. Love campfires and camping, so let's see if I can find a campfire. This is a cool image. Copy and paste. Make sure I'm on the move tool to make it smaller. Now this one would be tough to erase the background. So I am thinking I'll try the eraser tool for this one, because going and selecting all of those little items seems kind of difficult. So I'll click my eraser, turn the brush size up and the softness of the edge. And then I'm going to go around and just try getting rid of some of the background. It's looking good so far. Good, good, good. Perfect. Liking that. Okay. I will add maybe an apple since I'm a teacher. This one looks good. And that could fit right in here. Like that. Okay, now I'll click the lasso tool and the polygon tool, I think, to get rid of the background. So I'm just going to click around the apple. Seems easiest for this one. To get around that little stem. And then click select, invert selection, and delete. Click outside of it. Just the move tool. And make that a little bit smaller. Okay. It is getting there. Not a whole lot of space left. Now I just really have to think about what are some other things that I might want to include in here. I think I want my apple to be behind. Yeah, put it behind. The notebook. Wonder if I can just find a drawing tool of some kind, since I love to draw. Ooh. I actually really like working with colored pencils, so I'm going to try adding this one in there. Copy image, and paste. Find a fun place to put that. Maybe I can do, actually I might do this one kind of on an angle and do the other side of my M. Ooh, perfect. And this one, since the background is solid, I think the magic wand or the wand select tool would work really nice for this. Yep, it just automatically picks up the light blue areas. The only spot that's a problem is right here where I have the light blue colored pencil. But that looks great. I can maybe put another image in front of there if I'm not loving how that looks. Okay, so move that until it's in the right area. I'm going to drag that below my coffee cup so it goes behind it. I think all I really have left is maybe two more images. One up here in the corner, one up here in the corner. Then I should be all finished here. I am really enjoying fitness, so what I might try doing is finding a weight. Maybe like a let's try something else. Let's maybe do a snowmobile. See if something comes up for that I like. I do love snowmobiling. I grew up doing it, so this might be a cool idea to include. Let's try doing this one. And this one, I can try the wand select, see how this goes. Good. Selects that background to get rid of it. Let's see how that looks. Get in there. I think I like it with a little bit of the trees in there, so let's try that. It's kind of cool. I actually like how there's a little bit of the background still included, so I do not mind that. If I wanted to erase part of it, I just have to make sure I'm on the snowmobile layer and kind of fade it out and touch it up. I can use that eraser tool to just get rid of those spots I don't really like. Good. And that is almost complete. I would say I can find maybe one more image